Hello everyone, today I am excited to talk to you about Unity Game Engine, a powerful tool that has revolutionized the world of game development. Here, today we will be covering this presentations about Unity Game Engine. Let's see what is the game engine, why Unity, the features of Unity, benefits, popular game made with Unity, getting started with Unity, learning resources, and 2D in 3D game development, scripting in Unity, assets, deployment, community, and the conclusions. Let's get started. What is game engine? A game engine is like a backbone of any video game. It's a software development environment equipped with tools and libraries that empower game developers. These tools encompass rendering, physics, scripting, and audio, providing a foundation for creating immersive gaming experience. Why Unity? Unity stands out as a cross-platform game engine, enabling the creations of games for PCs, consoles, mobile devices, and websites. It's incredibly popular worldwide, emphasized by indie developers and AAA studios alike as shaping game across various genres. Moving on, the features of Unity. A, a comprehensive suite for the tools for creating both 3D and 2D games. And a powerful physics engine ensuring realistic in-game movement. The next one, a robust rendering pipeline enhancing visual quality. Next one, a flexible scripting system allowing developer to customize game behavior. The last one, a vast array building and assets and a thriving developer community. Now, benefits of using Unity. Unity's benefits are cross-platform compatibility, reaching diverse audience, and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for newcomers. Powerful capabilities enabling complex game designs. A large and active community fostering collaborations and knowledge exchanging. Moving on. Popular game made with Unity. Unity has been the creative force behind multiple of beloved games, including Pokemon, Go Cuphead, Fall Guys, Ultimate Knockout, Hearthstone, and many more. Now, getting started with Unity. To begin your Unity journey, first one, you need to download the free version from the Unity website. Sorry. The second one, create a new project. The third one, start developing your game. Learning resources, utilize Unity's wealth of learning resources. Official documentation for in-depth understanding. Tutorials and online courses for hands-on learning. Community forums and social media for networking support. 2D games development in Unity. Unity simplified 2D games development with various tutorials and resources, making the process approach for beginners. Moving on. 3D game development in Unity. While 3D game development is more complex, Unity offers tutorials and resources to guide you through the intricacies of creating three-dimensional games. Moving on. Scripting in Unity. Unity utilized the C programming language for scripting. Through scripting, you can control the behavior of object within your game, giving life to your creation. Yeah. Unity provide an extensive collaborations of building assets, including models, textures, and shadows. Additionally, you can create your own assets or explore the Unity asset store for more options. You Deployment. Once your game is ready, Unity allows you to develop it across multiple platforms such as PC, console, mobile devices, and websites, ensuring your game reaches a wide audience. Moving on. Community. Unity boasts a vibrant and engaged community of developers. This community shares assets, tutorials, and tools, making it an invaluable resources for learning and troubleshooting during your game development journey. Moving on. In the conclusions, Unity is a versatile and reboots game engine suitable for developers of all skill levels. Whether you are creating simple 2D games or complex 3D masterpieces, Unity provides the tool and support you need to bring your game ideas to life. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate your questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Thank you.